and self-assertion, destiny or slight diversion. Now it seems I've got my head on straight. I'm a freak, an apparition. Seems I've made the right decision. Try to turn back now, it might be too late. And it's up to the moon and then back again. Same old day, same situation. My happiness is back as if to say I wanna stay home today. Don't wanna go out if anyone comes to play. Gonna get thrown out. I wanna stay home today. Don't want no company, no way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. A simple life's my cup of tea. I don't need nobody but me. What I wouldn't give just to be left alone. I wanna be a millionaire someday. No one feels like scribbling on me. Watching options to make up my own drum. And it's over and over and over again. Same old thing, same situation. My happiness is back as if to say I wanna stay home today. Don't wanna go out if anyone comes away. Gonna get thrown out. I wanna stay home today. Don't want no company, no way.
Start, brána. Pravá 7. Levá 3 dlouhá, hajzlík. Stop. Levá 2. 30, levá 4. 30 brzdí, levá 9 nahoru. Pravá 3 dlouhá. Nahoře kope. Stop. Pravá 3 dlouhá. Brzdí levá 8. Levá 3, hajzlí dlouhá. Stop. Levá 2. 30. Levá 3 rovně. Horizont. 50 tunelí. Levá 9. Pravá 2. 150. Levá 3. Levá 50, pravá 6 brána. Cíl. Cesta levá. Jdeme další, nebo to? Tady nestojí. Tak možná bych hodil ten filtr. Kdyby jsme úplně bez něj.
Tak teda poprvé, když jste byli na startu, tak ten moderátor ještě o žádném autě nemluvil tak dlouho jako o historii Trabantu a o tom tvým mazlíku, jak si ho udržuješ a že to byla nějaká královna, si pořídila Trabanta a takové věci.
Jo, taková ta bachotka.
To byl 20-minutový monolog, který prostě povídal o historii Trabantu.